Hello and welcome back to a year of content from CS Design Studios, all focused around the invaluable tool that is Google Business Profile. In today's video, we're covering Google's messaging feature as the easiest way to stay in touch with your potential customers in real time, leading to more conversions for your business. Stick around for more. We are currently in the 8th month of our 12-month series dedicated to diving into all this online development tool has to offer. In last month's video, we discussed Google's experimental call tracking feature and how something as seemingly small as call tracking could make a huge impact on your marketing efforts. So feel free to check that one out and be sure to subscribe so you never miss the video that could hold the secret to increasing your conversions online. Let's get started. The Google messaging feature allows users to contact you directly through your Google Business Profile listing, prominently featured in Google Search and Maps. Messaging allows you to answer questions, tell your story, and attract more customers to your business. Once you turn on chat, customers will find a chat button on your business profile and will be able to message you at any time. You'll receive notifications for incoming messages and can always view them in your business profile. For messages received outside of business hours, you can set up an automated message welcoming your potential customer and encouraging them to take the next steps with your business. Share photos, answer queries, and go the extra mile to secure a new customer with Google Chat. Note that messages should be responded to within 24 hours, and know that your tone and how you respond could make or break a customer's decision to go with you or your competitor. There's a variety of aspects that go into optimizing your Google Business Profile. And at CS Design Studios, we have a team of digital marketing experts dedicated to getting the most out of these Google tools for your business. We invite you to learn more about that with a visit to our website at csdesignstudios.com. And remember that we are going to be sharing our digital marketing tricks of the trade every month here on YouTube. So be sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to helping you grow your business with every new video.